chat box so that I can see how many of you have joined. Okay, so I can see Rupa has joined. Hello, Rupa. Very good morning to you. How are you doing today? Those who are joining, can you type good morning in the chat box? Okay, so I can see Rupa has joined. Hello, Rupa. Very good morning to you. How are you doing today? Others also, please join quickly. Come on, come on, come on. Join quickly, fast, fast. Yes, I can see Rupa has joined. Hello, Rupa. Very good morning to you. How are you doing today? Come on, we are waiting for you. Join, come on. Join quickly, fast. We are going to start. Yes. So I hope you all had a great breakfast today and ready for the class. Yes? Come on, please join all of you. We are going to start in a minute. I can see only Rupa till now. The other students, come on, please join. Please join, come on, all of you. Those who have joined already, I welcome all of you to Me and Math YouTube Live. I hope all of you are able to see my screen. So let's get started then. Those who have not joined yet, please join quickly and subscribe to the channel so that you all can chat in the chat box and type your answers very, very quickly. Okay? So today we are going to discuss some questions, some very, very interesting questions. Okay? And I want all of you to type your answers quickly in the chat box. Right? And I'm going to check that who is typing the answer first. Right? So you all need to be very, very quick. So let's start. Shall we start with the first question? Okay. Yes, good morning. Good morning, Arya. Okay, so your name is Arya. Hello, Arya. How you doing? So, Arya, are you ready for the first question? Let's move to the first question. Okay, so here's your first question. I hope all of you can see the question. Yeah, let's read it together. Okay, which of the following is the correct subtraction sentence for the given picture? Okay, so what is the picture we can see here? Can you see some owls? Yes. So you can see that there are pictures of a few owls and some owls crossed out, right? Isn't it? So looking at the picture, you have to tell me that which is the correct subtraction sentence for this picture? Which subtraction sentence is correctly representing this picture? Is it A or B or C or D? Come on, type in your answers in the chat box. Quickly, quickly. Quickly type in your answers in the chat box. Let me see. Come on, Arya. Type in your answer. Others, please join. Those who have joined now, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And then you can type your answer in the chat box very, very quickly. Okay? Come on. Let me see. Arya, I'm not able to see your answer yet. Come on, type your answer quickly. Okay, I will be giving you 5 more seconds. Okay? 5 more seconds to type your answers. Come on. After that, we are going to discuss and look at which is the correct answer for this. Right? Come on. So you have 1, 2. Okay. I can see Arya has already typed in the answers in the chat box. That's great. Okay. So Arya says that the correct answer is C. Is it C, Arya? Are you sure? Because I can see that first you had written 2 and then you had written C. Okay, so you are saying that 2 is the correct answer and C is the correct option. Is it, Arya? Okay, and what about the others? Others, those who have joined, please quickly type in your answer in the chat box. Let's see, let's see. Come on, come on. Arya has already typed her answer in the chat box. She's saying that it is option C. What about others? Okay. So come on, let's see which is the correct answer and if Arya is right or not. Okay. So first we are going to count the total number of owls we can see here. Okay. So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. So the total number of owls which are present here are 8. Now, how many owls have been crossed out? Let's check. So 1, 2, and 3. 3 owls have been crossed out, right? So crossed out meaning that we are subtracting, right? We are doing minus. So from 8 owls, we are subtracting 3 owls, right? So which one do you think is the correct subtraction sentence for this? Let us check. So option A has 8, but it is showing that 4 has been subtracted. So it's not the correct option then, because here we can see that 3 owls have been crossed out, right? Let's go to option B. So here also we can see 8 and we can see minus 3. So this can be the correct option, right? From 8, 3 is being subtracted. But let's check the other options also. So in option C, we can see that from 5 owls, 3 is getting subtracted, right? But when we counted, we saw that the total number of owls were 8, isn't it? So this cannot be the correct option, Arya. Okay. So you have to count the total number of owls first, isn't it? And in the last option also, we see that from 8, 2 is being subtracted. But here, 3 has to be subtracted. So the correct option for this question would be 8 minus 3, which is option B. Let's check. Okay, we will check the answer. Yes. So option B was the correct answer for this question, right? So let's see. Hello, Trijal. Very, very good morning to you. How are you doing, Trijal, today? Welcome to Me and Math YouTube Live, Trijal. Very good to see you here. Okay, so I hope that Arya is also here and both of you can answer the questions correctly, right? So let's go to the next question. Okay, so I hope all of you can see that next question on the screen. Yes, Trijal, you're correct. The correct option for the first question was B. Now, what about this question? Yeah, tell me which of the following options shows the incorrect addition? Okay, so you can see that these four options are showing addition. Okay, picture based addition. You all have done right, picture addition. So they are showing here picture addition. Okay, and you have to look at each option and check that which one is not correct. Which option is not showing the correct answer? Is it A, B, C, or D? Come on, let's see. Let's see. Come on, type in your answers. Arya, Trijal, come on, type in your answers quickly. Quickly type in your answers and let's see that who can give the correct answer first. Let's see. And others, those who have joined the live, please subscribe to the channel and type in your answer in the chat box very, very quickly. Please come on, join. I want to see that a lot of students are answering. Okay, I want to get many, many answers today, correct answers today. Let's see. Srijal, Arya, come on, type in your answers in the chat box, and then we are going to discuss the answer. Okay, and we are going to see that which is the correct answer over here. Come on, come on. I will be giving both of you 5 seconds. Okay, so within 5 seconds, both of you should type the correct answer quickly. Quickly. Which of the following options shows the incorrect addition? Let's see what happened to Arya and Trijal. Come on, type in your answers. Those who haven't joined yet, please join quickly and subscribe to the channel and type your answers in the chat box. Arya, Trijal, no answers anymore. Come on, type in your answers quickly. Okay, check all the options and see that which one is showing the incorrect addition. Arya, Trijal, let's see who can answer first. Quickly type in your answer. Come on. Okay, so I think we can discuss this question now, right? And we will check that which is the correct answer for this or which option is showing the incorrect addition. So let us look at the first one. Okay. So in the first option, hello. Okay, yes. Manal Adil. Hello, Manal. Very good morning to you. Yes. Manal has given an answer. He says it's option B. Okay, Manal. That's great. Thank you for joining and giving answer. So we are going to check, okay, that which is the correct answer for this, right? So come on, let's discuss and we'll see that option B is correct or not, right? So in option A, we can see that there are three houses plus one house. So three house and one house is how many houses in total? We have one, two, three, and four. So what is the bond of three and one? It is four, right? So this option is correct. This is showing the correct addition. Yes, I can see Arya has also typed her answer. Very good, Arya. But you need to be very, very quick. Okay. So, yes, Arya has also said that it is option B. So, let us check. Okay. Let us check option B now. So, option B is showing some birthday caps. Okay. So, let us count. So, we have here two birthday caps. One, two. And with this, we are adding one, two, three, four, and five caps. Okay. So what is the bond of 2 and 5? 2 plus 5 should give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But let us check what answer they have given. They have said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They have said that the answer is 6, but we are getting the answer as 7, isn't it? There should be 7 birthday caps, but they are writing the answer as 6 birthday caps. So this is not looking correct, right? Yes, I can see that Arya and Manal has also said that option B is the incorrect one, incorrect addition. But still, we will check for option C and D once, right? So option C has some ducks. So let us see. You have 2 and 2. So 2 plus 2, the bond will be 4. So we can see here the answer is 4 ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is also correct. And the last option is kites. So here they are showing 2 kites plus 1, 2, 3, 4 kites. So what is the bond of 2 and 4? It is 6. So let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So 2 and 4 makes 6. So this is also correct. That means the only incorrect addition here is of the birthday cones, which is option B. Let us check. Let us check. Yes, it is absolutely correct. Okay, that's great. Very, very good, Arya and Manal. It is absolutely correct. Very, very good job, both of you. Okay, so I am very, very happy to see that people are giving all the answers correctly, but you all need to be very, very quick. Okay, do not be late. Very, very quick. As soon as you see the question, you have to quickly read it and type in your answer in the chat box. Right? Quickly. Try to be the first one to answer. Okay? So now it's time for the next question. But till then, those who have joined just now, please subscribe to the channel and join us for answering these questions. Okay? Once you subscribe the channel, you can quickly type your answers in the chat box. Right? Okay, so Arya, Trijal, Manal, come on. Ready for the next question, right? So let us read this. Find the values of P and Q respectively. So you can see here that there is a addition sum which has been given to you, but all the numbers are not given. Okay, instead of two numbers, they have put P and Q. So those numbers are missing. And from these options, you have to choose and tell me that which are those missing numbers which should be placed in P and Q. Okay, so that this addition is correct. Okay, which are the values of P and Q? You have to choose the values in such a way so that the answer is 43, right? So I hope you all understood the question. Now quickly type in your answers in the chat box. Okay, come on, quickly. Quickly, let me see who can type the first answer. Come on. Manal, Arya, Srijal. Come on, Srijal. Srijal, you did not answer the second question, but this one you have to answer, Srijal, okay? Srijal, Arya, Manal, quickly, quickly answer. Let's see, come on. Fast, 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 quickly, quickly answer. Let's see, Arya. Type in the correct option. Is it option A, option B, option C, or option D? Wow, I got an answer. Okay, so it's Manal who says it's option B again. So are we getting all option B's? Is it? So we'll find out if for this question also option B is correct or not. Okay, but others need to answer before that. Come on. Arya, Trijal, we are waiting for your answers. Once you all answer, we are going to discuss. Okay, quickly, quickly answer. Come on, quickly. Come on, Arya. You need to answer quickly. What are the values of P and Q? Is it 3, 1? Is it 1, 1? Is it 2, 1? Or is it 1, 3? Okay, I can see that Arya has also typed in her answer. Very good, Arya. Arya says that it is option B. Okay, so Manal and Arya says that the correct option is option B. What about Trijal? Trijal, come on, type in your answer quickly. Trijal, come on, type in your answers. Okay. And others, those who have joined, please subscribe to the channel and type in your answers quickly in the chat box. So let us see that if Arya and Manal has given the correct answer or not. Okay, let's check. So the first one is 3 and 1. First option. Okay. So if we put 3 in place of P and 1 in place of Q, then what numbers are we getting? We are getting 32 plus 31, right? That means 3 tens and 2 ones, 3 tens and 1 ones. Okay. So in the ones position, if we add 2 ones and 1 ones, then it is coming 3 ones. It is correct. But in the tens place, if we put 3 in place of P, it becomes 3 tens plus 3 tens. 3 tens and 3 tens, is it 4 tens? No, right? 3 tens and 3 tens is how many? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So then in the tens place, it should have been 6. Your answer should have become 63, but the answer has to be 43. You cannot change your answer. Okay, so that means option A is not correct. So let us go to option B. Here you have 1 and 1. So if we put a 1 in place of P and a 1 in place of Q, we are getting the numbers as 12 and 31, right? So then in the ones place, we have 2 and 1, which is 3. And in the tens place, you have 10 and 30. You have 1 tens and 3 tens. So 1 and 3 gives you 4 tens, right? So that means we are getting the correct answer here, 43, if we put 1 and 1 in place of P and Q. The answer is absolutely matching, right? And I can also see that Manal and Arya has said option B, isn't it? So this might be the correct answer, but we will still check for the other two options. Okay? So option C, you have 2 and 1. So that means in place of P, if you put 2, and in place of Q, if you put 1, then what happens to the answer? In ones place, you get 3 for sure, but in the tens place, you get 2 tens and 3 tens, 5 tens. The answer becomes 53. So this is not the correct option. And what about option D? It says 1 and 3. So in place of P, if we put a 1, and in place of Q, if we put a 3, so in the ones place, it becomes 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. But in the ones place, you should be getting 3. So this is also not the correct option. So the only correct option we have here is B, and we are going to check for it. Let's see. Yes. Can you see option B is absolutely correct? Very, very good, Arya and Manal. Great job. Okay, that's great. Both of you have given the absolutely correct answer. Very, very good. I'm so proud of you. Very good. Well done. And others, those who have joined just now, please subscribe, and you can also type in your answers just like Arya and Madad. And Trijal, I want answers from you also, okay? Everybody, those who have joined, should answer, type in your answers in the chat box, right? Okay. Now we are ready to move to our next question. Come on, let's go. So I hope that all of you can see my next question on the screen. Yes, you can see some pencils. Can you? Let us read the question together. Okay. So it says Vinay had these many pencils. Okay. So you have to count how many pencils Vinay had. Had he used these many pencils? Which of the following number sentences represents the number of pencils left with him? Okay, so when I had some pencils, from those pencils, he had used some pencils. Now, out of these four options, which option represents the number of pencils left with him? Is it option A, option B, option C, or is it option D? Come on. Arya, Manal, Trijal, and everybody else who is present here, everyone should type in your answers in the chat box. Come on. Those who have joined just now, can you please type a hi in the chat box? Please type a hi so that I know that you are here and you're attending this live stream. please type a hi in the chat box and you can type in your answer. Come on, Arya, Manal, Trijal, type in your answers for this. Which is the correct option for this? Come on, count the pencils and check that which option is correct. Which is the correct number sentence for this? Okay, is it A, is it B, or C, or is it D? Okay, I can see, yes, we have an answer. I can see Manal has typed option D. Okay, so Manal says that it is option D. Fine, we will check Manal. Let us wait for the others also to answer. Come on. Manal has already given the answer. Now I want answers from others as well. Arya Trijal. Yes, Arya has also given an answer. She also says that it is option D. Very good, Arya. Thank you for answering. Okay, so Manal and Arya are giving their answers very, very quickly. They're on a roll. Very good. But what about Trijal? Trijal, please answer. And everyone else, those who are attending the live stream, please subscribe to the channel, type a hi in the chat box, and please type in the correct option. Okay, come on quickly. We are waiting for you to answer. Okay, Manal says it's B now. Okay, so Manal has changed his answer. From D, Manal is saying that the correct option is B. Okay, so Arya says it's D and Manal says it's B. Okay, so we will check that who is correct. Whether it's Arya or is it Manal? Is it option B or option D? Okay, so let us check, right? So first we are going to count how many pencils Vinay had at first. Okay, so Vinay had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 pencils. Right? So Vinay had 15 pencils with him. Now, from those 15 pencils, he has used away how many pencils? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. है ना? So from 15 pencils, 5 pencils he has already used. Use कर लिया. Use कर लिया means use कर लिया मतलब कि वो पेंसिल्स अभी उसके पास नहीं है, वो पेंसिल्स खत्म हो गया. ठीक है ना? विनय ने ऑलरेडी उसको यूज कर लिया है ना? तो अगर खत्म हो गया, यूज कर लिया, तो उसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं? प्लस or minus. What do we use? Are we going to use plus or minus for this? We will have to use minus. Okay? Because he has used up. ठीक है ना? 15 पेंसिल्स में से 5 पेंसिल्स यूज कर लिया, तो अभी वो 5 पेंसिल्स को हमें 15 से माइनस कर देना है. Right? So let us check which is the correct answer for this. So option A, it says 15 minus 11 is equal to 4. But 11 को क्यों माइनस करें हम? उसने तो 5 pencils यूज किया है, so we should be subtracting 5 from 15, right? So then option A is not correct, isn't it? Let's go to option B. Okay, let's go to option B. Okay, even Arya has changed her answer and she is also saying that it is option B now. So both Manal and Arya says that it's option B. Let's see. So in option B, we have 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. So from 15 pencils, he's using 5 pencils. So you are subtracting 5. And when you take away 5 from 15, you are just left with 10. So I think option B is the correct answer, right? But let us check the other two options. So in option C, it says 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. But this cannot be correct because they are using a plus over here. But we saw that we have to subtract, right? And in option D also, 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. They are adding, isn't it? But we have to minus. So we can see that option B is the correct answer. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. That's the correct answer. So very, very good, Arya and Madal. Very good again. Excellent. Okay, both of you have given the correct answer. I think at first there was a little confusion, Arya. That's why you have written D and even Manal as well. But then both of you read the question properly and then you all changed your options. Then you understood that we have to do minus, right? So now both of you are correct and option B is absolutely correct. So we are ready to move to our next question. Yes? Others, Trijal, what happened to you? Why am I not getting any answers from you? Come on, please answer in the chat box. Okay, others also, those who have joined, subscribe to the channel and please type in your answers quickly in the chat box. Right? Let's go to the next question now. Yes. So here is our next question. Shall we read it together? Yeah. So let's see. Rhea bought 12 cupcakes on Monday, 10 cupcakes on Tuesday, and 34 cupcakes on Wednesday. How many cupcakes did she buy all together? Okay, so this is your question. So श्रेया ने मंडे को 12 कपकेक्स खरीदी है, ट्यूसडे को 10 कपकेक्स और वेडनेसडे को 34 कपकेक्स. ठीक है, तो टोटल कितने कपकेक्स श्रेया ने खरीदा है? That is what you have to find out. So, which is the correct option? Is it A, B, C, or D? Which option shows the total cupcakes bought by Shreya? Come on, type your answers now, quickly. Type in your answers quickly in the chat box. Let's see. No answers yet. Come on, Manal. Come on, Arya, Trijal, everyone, type in your answers quickly in the chat box. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer before everyone else. Let's see. Is it Arya? Is it Manal? Or is it Trijal? Or is it someone else who is going to give the correct answer this time? Okay. Let's see. Come on. Quickly. Quickly type in your answer in the chat box, all of you. Is it A, B, C, or D? You can just type the option. Okay. Just type which is the correct option. Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Or is it D? Let's see. Quickly, 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 come on. Quickly type in your answers. Quickly type in your answers in the chat box. We are waiting for you. Come on. Which is the correct option? Is it 58? Is it 54? Is it 56? Or is it 48? Let's see. No answers yet. Manal, Arya, Trijal. Come on, type in your answers. Those who are joining the live stream now, I would request you all to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and then you can quickly type in your answers in the chat box. Okay, we have an answer from Arya. She says that it's C. Okay, so Arya says that the correct answer is C, 56. Let's wait for Manal and Srijal and everyone else to answer. Come on, quickly. Quickly type in your answers in the chat box. Okay, we are going to start discussing the answer for this question. Quickly type in your answers. Let's see. So, Shreya has brought 12 cupcakes on Monday, 10 cupcakes on Tuesday, and 34 cupcakes on Wednesday. So, how many cupcakes did she buy all together? So, all together means साथ में सब कुछ साथ में कितना उसने खरीदा है ना? मंडे का, ट्यूसडे का और वेडनेसडे का कपकेक्स जितना उसने खरीदा है, वो सारा साथ में लेके हमें काउंट करना है कि टोटल कपकेक्स इन तीन दिनों में श्रेया ने टोटल कपकेक्स कितने खरीदे. ठीक है. सो ऑल टुगेदर मतलब हम क्या करते हैं जब ऑल टुगेदर वर्ड आता है ना, तो उसमें हम क्या करते हैं, उसमें हम प्लस करते हैं, राइट, वी ऐड. सो यहाँ पे भी हमें प्लस करना है. सो 12, 10 and 34, we have to add the numbers together. We have to bring them together. So what is 12 plus 10 plus 34? Yes, so I can also see that Manal has given an answer and he also says that it is C. Okay, so both Arya and Manal has given the same answer and both of them are saying that the correct answer is C, 56. So let's check. So if we do 12 plus 10, okay, so if we count by 10 from 12 and we are adding a 10, so 12 has just 1/10, and with that 1/10, if we add another 10, so it becomes 20. So 12 plus 10 is 22, right? And 22 plus 34. So you have 2/10 and 2/1, 3/10 and 4/1, right? So 2/1 and 4/1 is 6/1, isn't it? And 2/10 and 3/10 is 5/10. So you have 5/10 and 6/1. So your answer is 56. That's correct. 12 plus 10 plus 34. So the total cupcakes bought by Shreya altogether is 56. Right? So 56 is in which option? It is in option C. So I think Arya and Manal has given the correct answer, but let us check it. Yes, that's great. That's great. That's great. That's great. Very, very good, Manal and Arya. Very good. I'm super proud of you both for giving the correct answers. Very, very good. Absolutely correct. Good job. Great job, in fact. Very good for giving the correct answers. Okay, and continue giving the correct answers for the next question also. Okay, and quickly, you have to type in your answer in the chat box very, very quickly, right? So now we have the next question. I hope all of you can see this question on the screen. Let us read it out together. Okay. So we have the next question here, which says Pooja bought the given tennis ball. So you can see a tennis ball over here. Yes. So Pooja bought this tennis ball. Okay. And you can also see the price of the tennis ball, the price tag, which is hanging from the tennis ball. So it says rupees 38. That means the price of the tennis ball is 38 rupees. Okay. She gave 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. How much amount of money did she get back? तो पूजा ने ये टेनिस बॉल खरीदी है 38 रुपीस का, लेकिन उन्होंने शॉपकीपर को 50 रुपीस दिया है. ठीक है, तो फिर पूजा को कितने पैसे वापस मिलेंगे? How much amount of money will Pooja get back? Is it A rupees 12, B rupees 10, C rupees 15, or is it D rupees 18? Come on now. It is your turn to type in the correct answer in the chat box. Let's see. Let's see who is able to answer this first. Is it Manal, Arya, Srijal, or someone new? Let us see. Type in your answers quickly in the chat box. Come on, quickly. Quickly type in your answers in the chat box. I am only going to give you 10 seconds for this. Okay? You have to quickly type in your answers in the chat box. Come on, Arya, Manal. Quickly type in your answers in the chat box, please. Then we will be discussing the question and finding out that whether your answer is correct or not. Right? So quickly type in your answer in the chat box. Let's see. Is it A 12, B rupees 10, C rupees 15, or D rupees 18? Which is the correct option? How much amount of money is Pooja going to get back from the shopkeeper? Okay, so we have an answer. Wow, Manal. Manal is the one answering quickly. Very good, Manal. That's great. And Arya needs to catch up. Okay, come on, quickly type in your answer in the chat box, Arya. So Manal says that it's A. That's rupees 12. Okay, so Pooja is going to get rupees 12 back from the shopkeeper. All right, we will check that Manal's answer is correct or not. But Arya, we are waiting for your answer. Okay, once you type your answer in the chat box, we are going to see that which is the correct answer. Quickly type in your answers, please. Arya, Trijal, if you're there, type in your answer in the chat box. We are waiting for your answers. Quickly type in your answer. Arya, what happened? Come on, type in your answer quickly. Manal says it's option A, and we want to see whether it is correct or not. Okay, so the price of the tennis ball is rupees 38, but Pooja is paying more to the shopkeeper. She's paying 50. 50 is more than 38, right? Okay, so Arya has also typed in her answer. She also says it's option A. Great. So again, we have the same answers from Manal and Arya. Okay, so we are going to check that whether the answer is correct or not. Let us see. So Pooja has paid more to the shopkeeper. That means she's going to get that extra money back, right? उसको चेंज वापस मिलेगा, है ना? अगर आप एक्स्ट्रा पे करते हो शॉपकीपर को, तो आपने जितना अमाउंट एक्स्ट्रा, जितना मनी एक्स्ट्रा पे किया है, वो आपको वापस मिलता है ना, चेंज मिलता है ना वापस आपको। तो पूजा को भी चेंज वापस मिलेगा। शॉपकीपर 50 रुपीज तो नहीं रख सकता, शॉपकीपर सिर्फ 38 रुपीज रखेगा और बाकी के जो एक्स्ट्रा पैसे वो पूजा को वापस कर देंगे, है ना? तो कितना वापस करेंगे, वो एक्स्ट्रा मनी हमको कैसे पता चलेगा कि कितना है? सो पूजा ने दिया है 50 रुपीज, तो वहां से शॉपकीपर जो है टेनिस बॉल का प्राइस निकाल के अपने पास रखे। तो 50 से 38 को निकालना मतलब वी हैव टू डू माइनस, है ना? सो फ्रॉम रुपीज 50 इफ यू डू माइनस रुपीज 38, then how much are we getting? Let us count with our fingers, right? So if we start counting from after 38, so we are getting 39, 40, right? 39 and 40. And from 41 to 50, how many numbers are there? We have to count till 50. 38 के बाद से हमें 58 तक काउंट करना है और देखना है कि कितना एक्स्ट्रा पैसा दिया है पूजा ने। ठीक है, सो 39, 40 ये हो गए 2 रुपीज, और 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, एंड 50। सो ये हो गए आपके 10 रुपीज। सो 2 रुपीज और 10 रुपीज मिला के 12 रुपीज, 12 रुपए। ठीक है। सो पूजा को 12 रुपीज चेंज मिलने वाले हैं वापस फ्रॉम द शॉपकीपर, which is option A. That's great, super. So I think both Manal and Arya has again given the correct answer. Let us check if it is option A or not. Option B, C, and D, we can see that it is not rupees 12. They are giving some other numbers, right? So option A का ही check करते हैं, ठीक है? Okay, wow, it's correct again. Very, very good. That's great, Manal, and that's very, very good, Arya, for giving the correct answer once again. Very, very good job. Excellent. Awesome. Great to see that you all are giving all the answers correctly. Very good. That's great. Now, can we move to the next question now? Quickly. Yeah. So, the next question says that Tanya had 25 paper boats. You can see the picture of a paper boat. Yes. Her brother gave her 22 paper boats. How many paper boats does she have now? So तानिया के पास 25 पेपर बोट्स था. तानिया's brother, तानिया के भाई ने उसको 22 पेपर बोट्स और दिए. तो अभी तानिया के पास कितने पेपर बोट्स है वो आपको फाइंड आउट करने हैं. ठीक है. सो इज इट ऑप्शन ए 27? इज इट ऑप्शन बी 47? इज इट ऑप्शन सी 38? और इज इट ऑप्शन डी 42? Which one do you think is the correct option? कितने टोटल बोट्स है अभी तानिया के पास? 27 boats, 47 boats, 38 boats या फिर 42 boats? ये आपको फाइंड आउट करने हैं. ठीक है. सो कम ऑन आर्या एंड मनल, टाइप इन योर correct option in the chat box. Let's see. Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Or is it D? Quickly. We are waiting for your answers. Okay. This time it's Arya giving the first answer. Very, very good. So Arya says it is option B, 47. Okay, Arya. That's great. We will check the answer. Let's wait for Manal. Okay. So Manal, and if anyone else has also joined this live stream, please type in a hi and put your answer in the chat box quickly. Okay. So very good, Arya. Very good for answering, giving the answer first. That's great. And Manal, we are waiting for your answers as well. Come on, quickly type in your answer in the chat box. Let's see which is the correct answer for this. Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Or is it D? Come on, quickly. Quickly type in your answers. So Arya was real quick this time. Very, very good, Arya. Very good. Really quick. Let's see. Manal, what happened? Come on, type in your answer quickly. Quickly type in your answer in the chat box. Which is the correct answer for this? How many total paper boats does Tanya has now? She had 25 before and her brother gave her 22. तो अभी तानिया के पास कितने total paper boats है? Okay. So Manal has also typed in his answer. He also says, just like Arya, that it is option B, 47. Okay, let us check. Let us check if they are correct or not. Okay. So, तानिया के पास 25 थे और उसके भाई ने उसको 22 और दिया. तो अभी उसके पास कितना हो गया? 22 उसको मिला और मिला, है ना? तो क्या करेंगे हम 25 और 22 को? हाँ, we are going to Put them together, है ना? प्लस करना है, हमें ऐड करना है, 25 और 22 को हमें ऐड करना है, ठीक है? तो ही हमें मिलेगा कि अभी तानिया के पास कितने टोटल बोर्ड्स हो गए। तो 25 मतलब कि 2 टेंस और 5 वंस, और 22 मतलब कि 2 टेंस एंड 2 वंस, है ना? सो 25 और प्लस 22, तो कितने वंस होते हैं? 5 वंस और 2 वंस मिला के, 5 और 2 मिला के 6, 7, 7 वंस, और 2 टेंस और 2 टेंस मिला के 2 और 2, 4, 4 tens. So 4 tens and 7 ones. So the answer is 47. It is neither 27, neither 38, neither 42, but it is 47. So option B, it seems, is absolutely correct. Yes, Arya, Manal, it is option B. Let's see. Whoa, awesome, awesome, excellent. Back to back, you all are giving correct answers. Great. Very, very good. Super. Excellent. Yes. So option B was the absolute correct answer. Now, let us go to the last question for today. Okay. So, this is going to be the last question for today, and you all have to answer this question absolutely quickly and correctly. Okay, so Arya and Manal, get ready for the last question of today. You all have answered the questions very, very correctly till now. And I want both of you to answer this question correctly as well, and also quickly. Okay, so let's see what is the question. It says find the missing value. 5 tenths, 3 ones plus 3 tenths, 2 ones is equal to how much? Okay, so you have to think and tell me and calculate and type in the chat box that what is going to come in that blank box. What is the answer for this? The missing value. Is it option A 89? Is it option B 20? Is it option C 85? Or is it option D 32? Which is the correct option for this? 5 tenths 3 ones plus 3 tenths 2 ones. Okay, come on. Quickly now type in your answers in the chat box. Right, I'm waiting for your answers. Right, come on, Arya, Manal, type in your answers quickly in the chat box. Okay, Arya says it's C. Oh, wow, Arya is really, really caught up with Manal, and she has given the first answer again. She says it's option C. Very, very good, Arya, for giving the answer. But it is correct or not, that we are going to check after some time. So, Manal, come on, type in your answer now. Arya has already typed in her answer. She says it's C. We want to see what is your answer. We are waiting for your answer. Come on, Manal. Quickly type in your answer. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Come on. And if anyone else has joined, you can also type in your answer quickly in the chat box by subscribing to the channel. Okay, great. So Manal also says that it's C. Wow, both of you again with the same answer. So whenever both of you are giving the same answer, which is every time, your answers are correct. So I hope this time also your answers are absolutely correct, right? So let's check. So it says the first number, it says 5 tens and 3 ones. So what is 5 tens and 3 ones? The number is 5 tens is 50 and 3 ones is 3. So 5 tens and 3 ones would be 53. With that, you have to do plus how much? 3 tens and 2 ones. 3 tens and 2 ones, right? So 3 tens is 30, 2 ones is 2. So the number is 32. So basically, you have to add 53 plus 30. So first, we are going to add the ones. All the time, we will always start from the ones place. Okay. So when we are adding the numbers, we are going to start adding the ones place first. So in the ones place, you have 3 ones and 2 ones. So 3 and 2. How much does it make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 5 ones, right? And in the tens place, you have 5 tens and 3 tens. So 5 and 3 makes how many tens? 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have 8 tens.